PrimeMeet review. Premium and modern webinar hosting services. PrimeMeet review, the overview. To get the product at great discounts, click on the link below. Why should you give this a try? PrimeMeet review, what is this product about? PrimeMeet review, what does IT offer? Audio, video, and screen sharing options. Audio, video, and screen sharing options. Live chat/real-time messaging. Contacts and segments for invitation. Scheduled and instant meetings/webinar. Reports and analytics. Multiple authentication option. Roles and permissions management, ACL, system. Multilingual and locale management. Auto and manual screen locking. UI and push notifications. PrimeMeet review, how to use this software. To get the product at great discounts, click on the link below.